Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 27 is reflections. Now, if you saw our mirror or symmetry challenge earlier, which you can take a look at right here, it's kind of the same principle, but it's completely different. In the fact that in the symmetry challenge, where you could use a lake to kind of show the reflection and create an equal image, the reflection can be asymmetrical, in the fact that you can have a picture of an individual and then have their reflection, which is actually going to show more behind them than right beside them. So there's one way. I do recall in one of my summer photography classes, I was in the University of Florida, and there was a girl, one of the co-students there, and she was right there at the window, and it was raining and everything, and there was a picture of her, which I could see directly behind her, was her profile. And then on the window, it was like reflecting back her image. So it wasn't symmetrical, but it was her reflection. Now, there's another thing, is that you got to be careful. You don't want your reflection sometimes whenever you're taking photos. As I've shown in my ride-along for my real estate photography, you don't want your own reflection in mirrors and things like that. But you can capture images with mirrors, whether they don't have to actually be mirrors, but they can be shiny surfaces that mirror things back. It doesn't even have to be like silver. It could be copper, bronze. Really, any polished metal will provide that reflection. And kind of a really abstract or really broad definition is that light is a reflection on something. Suppose you have a white screen or even a white piece of paper, and you have kind of a dark room, and you are flashing that light into the room. In effect, that is a reflection of light. Whereas a mirror will provide a more defined reflection of light and give you the form of a person or whatever's being held in the mirror. Anything that would show reflection, you can even have like a prism. I don't know if you've seen Pink Floyd. They have that prism where light goes in it and it's reflected or refracted out, and it produces a different type of image. So if you can reflect light, whether it be directly in a very precise image or it be very abstract in a beam of light, take your time and try and catch reflections in your environment. And as always, challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.